It is another beautiful spring day as a homemaker, and I am sharing with you a little bit of my day as a mom of 3 and one who loves the home life and the slow living and all the simple things to enjoy that make life beautiful. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, my tulips and buds are blooming, and it's just going to be a beautiful spring day. So I am excited to share my day with you of my slow, simple living that I have as a homemaker and a mama to 3 littles. There's one right there. Trying to reach the camera, actually. So it's been a great morning so far. Just done my own personal routine, Bible reading, stretching, exercising. I wear my pajamas through most of that because it's not like I sweat a lot with that. And then made our breakfast, and we had some delicious sourdough cinnamon rolls with our eggs and sauteed veggies, avocado. It's kind of our typical, other than usually we have sourdough bread, not cinnamon rolls. So it's kind of a treat this morning. And the girls are playing nicely. Little guys have been fed, and it's already 9 o'clock almost. And so we're gonna keep rolling with our day. We'll do our normal preschool learning time where I do some reading with the girls when he goes down for a nap, and then a little bit of preschool with both my girlies, and we'll be outside a lot today, and it's just gonna be a beautiful day. I'm looking forward to sharing with you. And with May 1st, May Day coming soon, I'm gonna share a little bit of a thrift haul too that I got for doing little May Day baskets. And there's also a plant exchange that we're gonna head to. So I'm gonna take some of my plants I've dug up and share those with some other people in our small town here. So I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. I think I say that all the time because it is a special treat to have my coffee. And we're gonna keep rolling with the day. So I am making kombucha, and for my kombucha recipe, I used 4 green tea bags and 4 black tea bags. I buy an organic brand from Amazon, put it in about 4 cups of boiling water, then I let it steep for about 5 minutes, take the bags out and add some cane sugar, some organic cane sugar, a cup of that, and then make sure that is all dissolved. And then I add it into a jar of, I added some of my filtered water already, then I added the tea into there, the tea mixture, and then I add my SCOBY that I had pulled out of the fridge. And then you let it sit on your counter for 10 days. And then after that, you can add it into your individual jars and add some flavoring of some fruit, and it'll be delicious. Hi, buddy. Oh, did you have a good nap? Hi. So we did a little bit of reading, a small bit of school inside. I started a batch of kombucha because it's so nice out. It's nice to have that drink in the warmer months. So it'll sit on the counter to ferment for 10 days, and then I'll put it in my glass bottles that I have, and it'll be delicious to put in the fridge, and it honestly lasts like 6-9 months in the fridge. So, and my SCOBY had been in there. I hadn't made it in a while, so it had been in there for like 6 to 8 months as well. But I'm gonna head outside, and we're gonna probably do a little chalk, just play outside. Maybe I'll do some stuff in the garden. I just love my lilies. They just finally opened. I've had them for a week, and they've been opening, so pretty. I just saw that there. Anyways, I got a little laundry started, need to transfer that, and then I'll head outside with the kiddos. There, yep. 2, good job. job.
Whoa.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we can do this with my gently. Oh, good job. Okay. We want to 9. Top to 9. Oh, I wanted some hollyhocks. We'll put them in a box. And we already have some daisies. What are these ones? We have a few of these coral bells. We are back from our little plant exchange. That was quite fun to go to. A bunch of older ladies there too who said they used to have a garden club, but now they just volunteer garden places. But I'll show you what we picked out. The girls picked out some little flowers as well too. A few I already have, like catmint. I might not plant that because that spreads like a weed, but I'll share with you what I got and we'll get them in the ground today. All right, so the girls picked out a few hen and chicks and they're in such cute little terracotta pots. I picked out a blue phlox. I have purple and white, I believe. And then this is a pask, I'm not sure, but I really liked the pot it was in. And then I have some of this near my tree up front already. And then I picked out purple iris and a mini yellow. Maggie, go. And hollyhocks. I had not seen hollyhocks in a while, so I got those. And then here's the catmint. And I have some of this too, but I thought, oh, that'd be good on a certain spot where I'm expanding my garden to. And then another little hen and chicks that the girls picked out that fell out. So I need to get some water on some of these because it's close to lunchtime. And then get them planted. So fun little thing to do in our small little community. Lunch is cleaned up and I did a little wipe down of the kitchen. That's a regular after every meal. Kiddos are still all making noise right now. So it is about 1 and so I'm hoping during nap time to get a good editing time for a video and then maybe even get a little more planting done outside. I may have a change of plans today. A friend is coming to do the plant exchange too and she lives really far out of town, and so she'll probably come over for some coffee and let her kids play with my kids. So we might do that or go to the park or something. So it's okay to be flexible sometimes. I have to tell myself that because sometimes I can be just stuck in my rut of me doing my own thing and wanting to do what I want to do. But this is being intentional, and that is what I want to do for the year. So being intentional with my friendship. But I'm going to try to get editing right now, even if the kids are still awake a little bit, to just make sure I get some of that done and maybe enjoy some outside time. I'm already getting some sun, I can tell, because it's beautiful, bright. Our crabapple blossoms are starting to open. They're so beautiful. The problem we run into here in South Dakota is they last 3 days because it either rains or it's always windy. So today is like the rarity of not being windy. But tomorrow's supposed to be rainy and like gusts of 40 and for the next 4 days. So I'll enjoy them for the day or two that they come. All right, I'm gonna stop chatting and get going on my editing. I wanted to share with you a little thrift haul I had done recently. It is something I want to do for May Day. I want to do some May Day baskets. And I thought, what better place to get some cute baskets than a thrift store. So I picked several up. I'm going to share that with you. So I picked up 4 baskets of varying sizes, textures, all that stuff. So first one was this one. It's kind of, it almost looks metal and light wicker. So that was $1. for May Day, and then it has like a little wicker on the bottom. This basket I thought was adorable for $1. They inside, I'll probably put some goodies. I might buy like a little few seed packets to put in there. I have these little DIY crosses that kids can paint or color and then hang with twine. So I'll put some of those things in there. Okay, here's the other basket. This one was $1.50. It's a little bit different. It's got some red, green, a little bit darker color and deeper. And then this one I might honestly keep because it was $2.50. I have a few other smaller baskets already on hand, but like I said, $1, $1.50. This one $2.50. Like this one's super sturdy, so I might keep that for my own uses of storage. But I thought they were adorable for super cheap at this certain thrift store. I also picked up this cute little candle holder. It says forged in Baldwin, America. It was $2.50. I'll probably actually put this in my antique booth. And then in my kitchen, I got a wooden chair. I had been looking for chairs for a long time. I still am looking for like a set of 4 or 6. But I found one old chair that's pretty sturdy. So I did get that. It was like $17.50 for that chair, but really actually pretty good quality. And my daughter enjoys sitting on that better than like the cane seating one anyways. So I picked that up. So just kind of a random little haul. I picked up a few more spring clothing pieces for myself, like a nicer pair of jeans that I had found, like a flannel but not flannel shirt for wearing on the cooler evenings, a couple extra like shirts for myself. So just kind of a fun outing, and I was able to do that actually by myself. My husband watched the kiddos. So anyways, May Day, it's fun to do that, and I've never actually done a lot with May Day with my kiddos, but I would love to do that this year. So that's why I thought I'll get some baskets. So sometimes you just have to load up the kids and the garden debris and go dump it, even if you got a family style vehicle, because I want the garden to be cleaned up and I'm just getting it done. And then the fun part is there were some rocks, a rock pile, that I grabbed some extra rocks to complete my border for the flower garden I have been planting and adding to this season. All right, so after we dumped the grass, weeds, all the things we had, I went and picked up some rocks from that area to finish this border. I'm missing one little piece, one little rock there. And then I got all my flowers planted that we had gotten from the plant exchange, and it's just gonna look beautiful. I turned this into an all flower garden here. It had some vegetables last year, but I just love these good flowers, so that's what I put here. Well, the evening is winding down. We just had breakfast for supper, and so that was quick and simple. I got the kitchen cleaned up. I had to finish some cleaning at our guest cottage, so I got that done, other than switching some laundry. And I'm gonna get some cookies going because I have guests coming at our guest cottage, so I need to make some fresh ones. And so I'm gonna throw those together. It's about 7:45, and so I think I'm gonna wrap this up, this beautiful spring blooming day. I am just loving this tree. I am hoping that it lasts, you know, for several days, not just 3. But it's been just a wonderful day being outside. We were outside most of the day today and bringing you along on just this day that God has blessed us with. So I'm going to share a few of my tulips with you and some of the blooms and call it a day. So love you guys, and I'll talk with you in the next one.